Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to change the screen lock on Samsung Galaxy A56. Alright guys, so yeah, if you want your cell phone security to be high, then you also have to change your cell phone screen lock as often as possible, or you can change it periodically. And in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to change the screen lock to the pin model, and how to do that is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright, first now you can go to settings menu on your phone, and then now you can scroll down and go to security and privacy. And then after that, now you can go to lock screen, and then now you can enter your last lock screen, and then now you can change the screen lock model to the pin. Now you can set the pin, and then you can confirm the pin, click OK, and then so yeah, the new model of your screen lock already done. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial, and thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video. Bye bye.